Join 4E Stories and subscribe our YouTube channel.
In a peaceful little village of Pakistan, a young boy named Ahmed lived with his grandparents. Ahmed loved animals, but there was one creature he loved the most. A beautiful white pigeon he named Azadi. She was gentle, pure, and always sat on Ahmed's shoulder as he walked through the fields. Every year on August 14th, the village was filled with green flags, music, and celebration. But this year something was different. Ahmed was old enough to ask the question that had been on his mind. "Dada Abu," he said, "why do we celebrate August 14th? Why do we call it Independence Day?" Dada Abu smiled, gently stroking Azadi's feathers. "Sit down, my son. I'll tell you a story. The story of how our country, Pakistan, was born. Long ago, he began, the land we live in was part of British India. People didn't have the freedom to live by their religion, language, or culture. Muslims were often treated unfairly and were afraid to express their identity. But then, he continued, a brave and wise man named Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah stood up. He spoke for the rights of Muslims and dreamed of a land where they could live freely. Ahmed listened with wide eyes. "Was it easy?" he asked. "No," said Dada Abu. "There were protests, sacrifices, and many challenges. But the people were united. After years of struggle, on August 14th, 1947, Pakistan was born, a land of freedom." Ahmed looked at the pigeon sitting calmly beside him. "Azadi means freedom, doesn't it?" "Yes," said Dada Abu. "That's why you named her so. She reminds us of peace and liberty." Ahmed thought for a moment and then said, "I want to do something special today. I want to set Azadi free to fly into the sky, like Pakistan was set free." Dada Abu's eyes welled up with pride. "That's a beautiful thought, my boy." So that afternoon, as the village gathered to celebrate, Ahmed held Azadi in his hands. "Fly high, Azadi," he whispered, "just like Pakistan's flag." He opened his hands, and the white pigeon soared into the sky, circling above the village before flying toward the green fields and distant hills. Everyone clapped and cheered. The sky echoed with shouts of "Pakistan Zindabad." Ahmed felt something change inside him. He wasn't just celebrating a holiday anymore. He now understood the meaning of freedom, sacrifice, and pride. Moral of the story: freedom is not just about living without chains. It's about understanding, respecting, and protecting what was earned with great sacrifice.